Hello friends, you all are welcome to this class. In today's topic, we should discuss about the square of numbers 1 to 25 and squares of numbers ending with 0 and zeros and square of numbers ending with 5 and square of 11 to 25 in different methods. These are some tricks about the square of the numbers. By using these tricks, you may solve or you may get square of any numbers in very lesser time, and it should be very efficient and it is very beneficial to the students. Those are appearing competitive exams. Let's start square of numbers. We are very well known about the square of numbers. Square of numbers means multiply of number itself. This means 1 square equal to 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. 2 square equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. 3 square equal to 3 into 3, which equals to 9. 4 square equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16. And 5 square equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25. These are the very common. Now I am going to give some tricks about the squares of other numbers. If we are able to remember these 5 numbers, then we may get square of all the numbers. Let's start. One method is that is a base method. For base method, you have to choose a base, that means which contains 0, that means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. For 5 to 15, base is assumed as 10 because 10 is the in between 5 and 15. Similarly, 16 to 25, base is 20. And 26 to 35, the base is 30, and so on. Let's start. Let us assume we have to determine the square of 6. In the base method, what happens? We have to choose one base. Here base is the 10. First determine the given number is more or less than the base. Here number is less 4 than the base. So here minus 4. So for that you have to square the outcome number, not 6. We are going to determine the square of the 6, but now put the square of this 4, which is 16. Always in this method put one digit and other one is a carryover. Next, this 4 is a minus 4, so you have to deduct this 4 from the given number, which becomes 2. Write here 2. 2 plus carryover 1 equal to 36. Once again I will clarify you. For counting this square of the numbers by using base method, we have 2 parts. In the last part, you have to return what is the less or more value than the 10. Here number is given, number is 6, but is it less than 4? That means you have to write here square of this 4. And again we have to subtract this 4 from the given number because it is lesser than, so you have to less. If it is more than 10, then we have to add the number. This becomes 2. But our final answer is here you should always place one digit. This one is the carryover to this one, as a result it becomes 36. Let's start another example. 8 square. 8 is the less than 2 from the 10 because here our base is 10. So we have to deduct, once again we have to subtract these two. Our answer is 6. And first place is the square of 2 is equal to 4, and second place is the 6, which is equal to 64. Next one is the, we have to find out square of 12, which is equal to 12 is the plus 2, 12 is greater than 2, then 10, 12 equal to 10 plus 2. So you have to write square of this 2, which is equal to 4. We have to place one digit. If it is the second digit, then 1 is a carryover. Then we have to add this 2 because it is more than 2. So we have to add. If it is less, then we have to subtract, which becomes 14. Write down here 14. Our answer is 144. Next, 14 square. 14 equal to 10 plus 4. So we have to square it 4. Square of 4 is 16, 6 and 1 carryover. Because this is more than 4, more than 10, so we have to add. If it is less than 10, plus means we have to add, minus means we have to subtract. This becomes 18. We have to write here 18, but 1 carryover is there. So by adding 18 to 1, this is 196. Next, 16 to 25. 16 to 25. Here base is assumed as 20. Here what happens? Let's start from the 16. This one can be made by using 10 plus 6 or 20 minus 4. But for this you have to remember the square of 6. But here on 1 to 5. So let's start from 10 plus 6. Here it is more than 6. So we have to write down the square of 6 as 36, 6 and carry over 3. The given number is more than 10. So we have to add 6. It becomes 22. 22 plus 3, 25. Our answer is 256. Let's start in other method by the taking base as 20. By taking base as 20, we have to find out the square. 16 equal to 20 minus 4. So here 4 is less. So we have to less. So square of 4 is 16. We have to carry 1 place and 1 is carry over. And you have to less this 4, which becomes 12. Because here base is 20, which is 2 times of the 10. So here according to our previous principle, 12 plus 1 equal to 136. This is not correct. Because here base is 20. If 20 is the base, you have to multiply by 2. If base is a 30, you have to multiply as 3, which becomes 24. 24 plus 1, 256 is our correct answer. Next, another example. 18 square. 18 equal to 20 minus 2. Here the more or less amount is a 2. So we have to put in these two places square of this one. This is a single digit, no carryover. Then go for the second step. Here it is less than 20. So we have to subtract 2 from the given number, which becomes 16. Here we have to put our base is, carefully you check your base. If base you are 20, then multiply by 2, because 20 by 10 equal to 2. If base is 3, then we have to write 332. So our answer is 34. Let's take another example. 22. Square of 22. square of 22 means 22 means 20 plus 2. We have to add in the first place square of the 2, then we have to add 22 plus 2 equal to 24, and we have to multiply by 2 because our base is 20. So we have write 48 in the second place. So our answer is 484. Let's start one another example for 31 square. This is not part of our this topic, but today we should discuss about 1 to 25. Let's start. 31 equal to 30 plus 1. Here 1 is more than 30. So in the first place we have to place square of that unit, that is 1. Next place it is more than 1. So 1 is more. So you have to add this one to the given number, which becomes 32. But here base is 30. So you multiply by 3, which becomes 96. We have put 96 here. Our answer is 961. Let's start another concept, which is ends with 5. The number ends with 5 only, then only you have to put this formula. Let us assume the number is 15. We have to find out the square of the 15. Then simply write as 5 square 25, and the number which is other than 5, that is 1, except 5. If the number is 1, then go for the next number and multiply with that number. Next to 1 is 2, so multiply by 1 and 2, we get 2. This is our answer. So when a number ends with 5, don't go for the other tricks. This is the finest trick for the numbers end with 5. Let's start another number, which is 25. So square of 25, we put square of 5 is as 25, and in the second place we have to put multiplication of that number with its consecutive higher number, 2 into 3. 2 given number is 2 and its next number is 3. By multiplying we get 6, that is 625, our final answer. Let's start another number with 65. Square of 65. Square of 5 is 25. 6 into 7. This is the most important. You have to multiply the given number into its higher number. 6 into 7 equal to 42. This is our answer. In this manner, we have to find out, let's start 105 square equal to square of 5 is 25, and second unit in this place 10 is there. So you have to multiply 10 into 11, which becomes 110. We have to place 110. This is our answer part. Next, one more is there. If the number is ends with 0, ends with 0. If number is containing 0 as its unit digit, then we have to find out. There is one trick. If a number of zeros in the left hand is 1, then we have to put 2 0. Then square of this number becomes 1. Very easy. You have to determine what are the number of digits in the left side. Next, 20 square. Here number of 0 is 1, so we have to put 2 zeros. Then square of 2 is 4. our answer is 400. Let's start another one, 100 square. Here number of zeros are 2, so we have to put 4 zeros and square of 1 is 1. This is our final answer. Let's start another example, 500 square. Here number of zeros are 2, so you put 4 zeros and square of 5 is 25. This is our final answer. Next, we have to determine, we have already studied about the base method, and second one we have to use a formula method. This is also a tricky way to solve the squares. Here what happens, we are very well known about the formula, the basic formula, which is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. By using this formula, we have to reduce some steps and it should be done in a very quick manner. One part is a square, second part is b square and 2ab. That means in case of 72, don't go for 72, let's for 12. We know that 12 equal to 10 plus 2. This can be reduced as a square plus 2 into 10 into 2 plus 2 square, which becomes 100 plus 40 plus 4, which becomes 144. This is our formula method, but this should be reduced in some manner which can be done very easily. Let's start. Square of 11. Write the inner digits square here, and again square of this unit as a square of 1. Now you have to multiply this digit and this 2. 1, 1 and 2, by multiplying these three numbers we get 2. So always put this multiplication value left to one digit to be left blank. As a result, final answer is 121. Let's start second one, which is square of 12. Here in 2 place we have to write here 04 and second one is 01. We have to multiply 1, 2 and 2, which becomes 4. Left to one place we get 144. One more 13 square. Here square of 3 is 09 and square of 1 is 01. And by multiplying 1, 3 and 2 we get 6, which is get here 169, which is the square of 13. Next 14 square. We have to write here 16 as 4 square, 1 square is 01. We have to multiply these three numbers 1, 4 and 2, 1, 4, 4, 2 are 8. So write here left to one place, always write 196. In this manner we have to find out all the numbers. But this one also can be reduced to some manner, which is also done very quickly. Let's start. We have to write square of 16. Watch very clearly. Square of this one is 36, but instead of writing 36, I am writing 1 place here. So, and other digit as carryover. Multiplying these three inwards, we get 12. 1 into 6 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. 12 and carry over 3. By adding 3 as 15. Again I am writing 1 place and carry over 1. Square of 1 is 1 and by adding carry over this becomes 2. The answer is, this can be done in one line. In the previous method, we are adding some place, and this is a two step, but this one is the single liner. Let's start in this manner. Square of 17. Square of 7 is, first find out square of this unit, and second multiplication of three numbers, then the decimal digit. Square of 7 is 49, put 4 and carry over as 4, put 9 and carry over as 4, then multiply these three digits. 1, 7 and 2 becomes 14, 14 plus 4, 18, so we have to put 8 and carry over 1. Last one is the square of the tens digit. Tens digit is 1, so square of 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2, so here our answer is 289. These are the tricks we have to remember. So my advice is, whenever you are watching a educational video, please keep a copy and pen with you. As a result, you may write with your regional languages, and as a result, you may refer in later. Next, 18. Square of 18. Square of 8 is 64. Put 6 and carry over 6. Put 4 and carry over 6. By multiplying 1, 8 and 2 becomes 16, plus 6, 22. Put 2 and carry over 2. Square of 1 is 1, plus 2 is 3. Answer is 324. Let's one more. Square of 21. Square of 1 is 1, no carry over, no problem. By multiplying 2, 1 and 2, it becomes 4. We have to write 4 here, no carry over, no problem. Square of 2 is 4, write here 4. This is the 441. Next one is the square of 22. Square of 2 is 4, no carry over. By multiplying 2, 2 and 2, it becomes 8, no carry over. Square of 2 is 4. This is the 484. I am putting here 3 tricks. Which was the best suit you? It depends on you. You may remember and use that one in your competitive exam. Next one is square of 23. Square of 3 is 9, no carry over. By multiplying 2, 3 and 2 becomes 12. So put 2 and carry over 1. And square of 2 is 4 plus 1, 529. This is the answer. Next, square of 24. Square of 4 is 16, put 6 and 1 carry over. By multiplying 2, 4, 2, you have to multiply this in your mind. No need to write 2, 4 into 2, it consumes time. So you have to multiply 2 into 4, 8 to 16. Plus 1, 17, put 7 and 1 carry over. Square of 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So this is the answer. And finally, last one is the square of 25. This can be done very easily by using the special formula. Square of 5 is 25, and here tens place is tens digit is 2. So multiplying by its next number, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. But to verify in that formula, square of 5 is 25, put 5, carry over 2. 2, 5, 10 to 20 plus 2, 22, put 2 and carry over 2. Square of 2 is 4 plus 2, 625. So my advice is, whenever the number ends with 5, don't go for the any trick. The special trick, this one is the finest trick, and this is consumes very less time. I hope you should understood these tricks very clearly. If you have any doubt, please comment. We should meet on next class. In that video, we should discuss about the numbers from 25, square of the numbers from 25 to 75 by Bayes method as well as our traditional formula method. Both are quick methods. Initially, when you are starting this using these formulas, you may get some problem, but after practicing, you may get it very easily. Thanks for watching. We should meet in next class. Have a good day.